Good morning to everyone. Today we are celebrating National Farmers Day, December 23rd. Every year we celebrate National Farmers Day on December 23rd because on this day, December 23rd, our fifth Prime Minister, Chaudhary Charan Singh, was born. When he became fifth Prime Minister of India, he supported farmers. He brought so many reforms for the farmers. That's why today we are celebrating National Farmers Day. Generally, Nana, we need a doctor help. When we need doctor help, when we get any sick or disease, we have to go to doctor, we have to consult a doctor. Suppose if you are healthy, no need to go to doctor also. The doctor help we need sometimes, we may not need sometimes. And also, we need an engineer help. When we want to construct a building, we need an engineer. In life, once or twice, we need an engineer help. If we have any legal issues or any protection issues, we need police and these advocates. If you don't have any legal issues, we no need to consult even advocate also. But without farmer help, we can't survive. Can we?
No.
Why? The food is provided by the farmer. Every day morning we are taking breakfast, afternoon lunch, dinner, fruits, vegetables, so many are there. They all are being provided by only farmers. Without farmer, the people can't survive in this world. Therefore, we should respect, we should gratitude, we should thankful to the farmers. So, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So, two members, two communities are the backbones of the nation. One is the soldiers, other one is the Kisan, Raitu. So that's why you want to remember both persons. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Repeat after me. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Right. మీకు మళ్ళీ తెలుగులో చెప్పేస్తున్నా.